standing tall on the Malabar coast, where the waves of the Arabian Sea meet the timeless stones of history, lies Bekal Fort, Kerala's largest and most majestic fort, and one of India's best preserved coastal treasures. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of Kerala's most iconic landmarks, Bekal Fort, located in Kasaragod district. This fort isn't just a historical site, it's a storyteller, echoing the tales of kings, battles, and the ocean that never stops singing. Once you pass through the thick weathered walls, the interior of the fort opens into a wide expanse of grass-covered courtyards and stone pathways. These open spaces were designed to accommodate soldiers, cannons, and supplies, all while offering a clear view of the sea for defense. You'd see red laterite stone walls, cool to the touch, still solid after centuries. Observation points and watchtowers, where sentries once stood scanning the horizon for incoming ships. Underground passages, narrow, mysterious tunnels leading toward the sea, used for quick escapes or secret movements. Ramparts and cannon holes facing outward toward the ocean, strategically aligned for protection. Small shrines or rest areas, remnants of the fort's blend of military and local cultural life. As you walk inside, you'd feel a mix of sea breeze and earthiness. The salt in the air blending with the scent of ancient stone and grass. The sound of waves echoes softly through the open courtyards, giving the entire place a sense of calm power and nostalgia. You also get a panoramic view of the surrounding areas filled with coconut trees. The area around the structure is covered with coastal vegetation, patches of grass, hardy shrubs, and sandy soil that transitions into rocky cliffs. Beyond it, the vast Arabian Sea stretches into the horizon, calm and blue under the clear sky, creating a serene contrast to the powerful history embedded in the fort stones. The scene captures a stone and brick bastion perched on rocky terrain that juts into the sea. The structure, circular in shape, appears to be part of a larger coastal fort, designed centuries ago to serve as a lookout or cannon point for defending against naval attacks. The bastion walls are built with reddish-brown laterite blocks, a material typical of old forts in the western coastal regions of India, especially in Kerala, Karnataka, and Goa. Below it, waves gently lap against the dark volcanic rocks and the small sandy beach that curves along the shore. This is a spacious, open parking lot set amid lush greenery and coconut palms, creating a calm, tropical atmosphere. As is, the parking surface appears to be paved with interlocking bricks or stone, making it durable and easy to maintain. There are a few vehicles parked near the perimeter, which is used by visitors or staff of the nearby buildings or tourist site. The lot is lined with tall coconut trees, providing natural shade and adding to the scenic coastal charm. Visitors arriving here likely park their vehicles before walking toward the fort or beach area beyond. The presence of coconut trees and open space makes it welcoming and photogenic, setting a pleasant tone before exploring the nearby historical or coastal site. The area feels organized and clean, designed to blend function parking with the natural landscape, garden layout, and pathways. The garden is organized in a geometric pattern, with symmetrical lawns and trimmed hedges. The paved walkways are bordered by railings, allowing visitors to stroll comfortably while exploring the fort's inner grounds. The lawns are vibrant and well maintained, indicating ongoing care and restoration, often a feature of heritage sites managed for tourism. Several small stone platforms and plant beds are arranged across the grass, adding depth to the landscape. Fort walls and architecture. To the right, the massive laterite stone walls rise prominently, weathered but strong, reflecting centuries of coastal winds and sea air. You can see ramparts and parapets where soldiers once patrolled and watched the sea. The combination of ancient architecture and modern greenery creates a sense of timelessness, where history and present-day conservation meet. Shipu surroundings and atmosphere. In the distance, palm trees sway under the bright blue sky, perfectly blending with the tropical coastal setting. The clear blue sky, open horizon, and green landscape give the place a calm, spacious, and refreshing feel, ideal for sightseeing and photography. Overall impression. This fort represents the tranquil heart of the structure, a place that was once functional for gatherings or drills, but now serves as a heritage park where nature and history coexist. The contrast between the green garden and the red-brown fort walls creates a visually stunning composition. So if you love historical gateway for a holiday, Bekal Fort awaits you. Like, share and subscribe for more hidden travel gems. Thank you for watching.